Hello and welcome. Today I will show you JavaScript Runtime. The JavaScript Runtime allows you to write apps for the innovaphone app platform while using JavaScript only. On the client side, the JavaScript code is executed in the web browser. On the server side, the JavaScript code is executed in the JavaScript Runtime based on an embeddable JavaScript engine called Ducktape. A WebSocket request from myApps client to service. The service response contains user data of the logged in myApps user. Now, what we want to do is get the username and display the username in a text message on the app. First things we need to do is open Visual Studio. I've already installed the innovaphone SDK, so now we just go ahead and click Create a new project. And here we select innovaphone app. As next, we have to click innovaphone JavaScript app. Now what we need to do is assign a new remote connection. After we have assigned a new remote connection, we need two files from the Explorer. The first file will be company hellouser.js, which is our front-end file. The second file will be company hellouserservice.js, which is our backend file. And in the backend, we just define the username. Now we move to the front end, and here we define a div box where the username will be shown in. After that, we want to add a text to this div box. As next, we save our project and run the code. After we've run the code, we open the app platform, and here's the app we just created. And as you can see, it perfectly worked. Thank you for watching.